Good morning, my teachers and my dear friends. Good morning, my teachers and my dear friends. असातिज़ा और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, सुबह बखैर. My name is Anam. My name is Anam. मेरा नाम अनम है. I am 16 years old. I am 16 years old. मेरी उम्र 16 साल है. I live in Karachi with my family. I live in Karachi with my family. मैं अपने ख़ानदान के साथ कराची में रहती हूँ. My father is a businessman and mother is a school teacher. My father is a businessman and mother is a school teacher. मेरे वालिद एक कारोबारी आदमी हैं और वालदा एक स्कूल टीचर हैं. My favorite subjects are English and math. My favorite subjects are English and math. मेरे पसंदीदा मज़ामीन इंग्लिश और रियाजी हैं. My hobbies are reading books, watching movies and playing cricket. My hobbies are reading books, watching movies and playing cricket. मेरा शौक किताबें पढ़ना, फिल्में देखना और क्रिकेट खेलना है. I am also very interested in other sports. I am also very interested in other sports. मुझे दूसरे खेलों में भी बहुत दिलचस्पी है. I am a very punctual and determined student. I am a very punctual and determined student. मैं वक्त की बहुत पाबंद और पुरअज़म तुलबा हूँ. My ambition is to become a doctor. My ambition is to become a doctor. मेरी ख्वाहिश डॉक्टर बनना है. That's all about me. That's all about me. ये सब मेरे बारे में है. Thank you. Thank you. शुक्रिया.